Ever wonder how the smooth, rich paste called tahini is made? Born of African and Middle Eastern kitchens, this culinary gem is more than just a condiment. It's a testament to the ingenious ways cultures have harnessed the humble sesame seed. With its high nutritional value and versatility, tahini has secured its place in dishes spanning from hummus to halva. It's rich, it's creamy, and it's about to take center stage in our exploration today. Now, let's delve deeper into the art of making tahini. To make tahini, you will need only two simple ingredients. The heart of tahini is sesame seeds, preferably hulled for a smoother texture. You can opt for white, brown, or black sesame seeds, each lending a unique flavor profile to your tahini. The second essential ingredient is oil. A light olive oil or grapeseed oil provides a neutral flavor, allowing the nuttiness of the sesame seeds to shine through. With these two ingredients, you're ready to start making tahini. The process of making tahini is surprisingly simple, yet requires a bit of patience. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to toast the sesame seeds. This isn't just to make them taste good, but toasting also brings out the rich, nutty flavors that make tahini so special. It's important to keep an eye on the seeds during this step, as they can quickly go from toasty to burnt. You'll want to stir them constantly over medium heat until they're golden brown and fragrant. Once the seeds are toasted, it's time for them to cool down. This is an essential step as it prevents the seeds from turning into a paste too quickly when they're ground. Just spread them out on a baking sheet or a plate and give them some time to chill. Now comes the fun part, grinding the seeds. You can use a food processor or a blender for this. Start by adding the cooled seeds, then gradually add oil as you grind. This slow addition of oil is critical to achieving that smooth, creamy texture we're going for. The key here is patience. You need to grind the seeds thoroughly to release their natural oils and achieve the desired consistency. This can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, so don't rush it. Once you've reached the right consistency, give it a taste. If needed, you can add a pinch of salt or a bit more oil to adjust the flavor and texture. And voila, you have made your very own tahini. Tahini is more than just a tasty paste. This creamy, nutty delight is packed with nutritional value, boasting high protein and healthy fat content. But that's not all. Tahini's versatility in the kitchen is truly remarkable. Its unique flavor profile makes it a perfect addition to sauces and dressings, while its smooth texture lends itself beautifully to desserts. It's a culinary chameleon, blending seamlessly into a variety of dishes. So next time you come across a recipe that calls for tahini, why not make your own?